Hello and welcome to collaborative writing and coding with ChatGPT Canvas. In this video, we'll discuss more about coding along with Canvas. So Canvas provides these features like code review, that is, it can review your code. It can add logs to your code. It can add comments to your code. It can even fix the bugs, if any, in your code. And if you suppose if you want to translate your code into a different programming language, it can even do that. So for instance, if you have a stored procedure and you want to convert that stored procedure into Python script, it can do that for you. So now we'll see how these things work. So this is ChatGPT interface. I'll use the prompt here for opening Canvas. The prompt is use Canvas. So it will open the Canvas interface for me. Yes. And now I'll give a prompt here. So this is my prompt. Help me with Python code to read a CSV file and store the content of CSV file into a database table in MySQL database. So let's see what it returns. Alright, so it has returned a Python script for our given prompt. And now to access all those features, you have to click here. So code review, port to a language, fix bugs, add logs, and add comments. These are the features which are available. So let's first do the code review. So now it is reviewing the code. Okay. Yes. So if you can see, these are some of the suggestions which it has given. Like we have to click here to see the suggestion. Consider adding error handling for missing or malformed CSV files using try except to avoid crashes. Let's apply it. It is applying that suggestion. I think there were few more suggestions. Yes, here. Consider using a context manager with statement to ensure the database connection is properly closed in, in case of an error. Yes, let's apply it. So now it is applying that suggestion. And there is one more suggestion, I believe. No, I think it has applied all the suggestions. Okay, that's good. Now we can add comments. So now it should add comments to the code. Yes, it has added comments to the code. So now this code is well commented. Now let's try this add logs feature. It should add more logs now. Yes, these print statements are here. They will help with logging. Okay, now let's see if there are any bugs in it. So, okay. So it is saying, yes, I found and fixed a potential performance issue by replacing the row by row insertion with execute many, which improves efficiency. So although there was no functional bug, but probably to improve the performance, it has made this change. It has replaced row by row insertion with execute many. All right. So now I think this code is complete. And there is one more feature which we'll see later, port to a language. But there is one more thing that you can even run this code. The code might not run because it needs some values. You have to replace these variables with their values. Okay, so it might not run, but still, like if there is a self-sufficient Python script, then it can even run in this interface. Let's try it. Now it is trying to install the packages. running the code. Okay, so it is saying no module named MySQL. It doesn't have MySQL module, so it hasn't run the code. But yes, as I was saying, if there is a sufficient self-sufficient Python script, it can even run that. So we'll see that. So let's open another Python, another ChatGPT window. Uh, Use Canvas as a prompt here to open Canvas. Okay, my second prompt is help me with Python code to create a bar chart along with data to populate the chart. Let's try it. So now it is giving the code for creating a bar chart and data as well. Let's try out these features. Code review. First do the code review. Let's see if it finds anything. Yes, it has highlighted this area, even this area. So yes, click here. It is saying consider setting a random seed using np.random.seed before generating random values to ensure reproducibility. Yes, let's apply it. Okay, so it has applied that suggestion, and there are few more suggestions. Here you might want to define the figure size dynamically based on the number of categories for better scalability. Yes, let's apply it. So it is applying that suggestion. Yeah, so it has applying those review comments. So as you can see here, it is giving review comments in the code, and then if we decide to apply them, it is applying them as well. There is one more review comment here. If the number of categories changes, consider using a color map like this instead of a fixed color list. Yes, let's apply it. Okay, yes. So we have applied all the code review suggestions. Now uh, add some logs to it. Yes, let's add some logs to it. Yes, it has added the logs. Okay. Now let's add some comments to it. All the comments are already there, but let's see if it adds more comments. I think it is adding some more comments like import necessary libraries, and let's see if it fixes any bugs in this code. Okay, it has found no bugs. All right. And now, as I was saying earlier, we can even try the code to run in this interface. Let's see if it runs. So it is running the code. Oh yes. So it has run the code, and it has even shown the output here. So this is a bar chart. All right. So it's good. Okay. I want to try one more thing. So there was a feature to translate the code into a different programming language. So let's try that out. Okay, so this is Python script, and if I want to convert this Python script to say some other language like what I would say Java. Okay, so let's see how it works. All right. Yes, so it has now converted this Python script into a uh, Java code. So it helps with that as well. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you.